Taking Jen for a ride before I put her away for the night.
Oh my! Do you like these little baby mirrors up in here? Or would you rather have them down on the side?
They're adequate. I ain't changing them. I can see plenty out of them.
Here you go. Bye. Oh my. It's so cute. It's a 1973 Volkswagen Squareback. I think that's what he calls it. He got it and it did not run, but it had all the parts, so he...
Got a little flat spot.